area that we call Mixie. If you wanna get beat physically, it will be over in a minute if you. So she told me to come over and I took that trip, and then she